In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram trial reels not working. So by default, if you're not being able to post any sort of trial reels, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if your account does actually have the trial reel feature or not. So what you need to do is head over to your professional dashboard from your bio section. And then once you're inside, head over to best practices and make sure that you head over to creation. Once you're inside of creation, if the trial reels feature is available for you, this is the exact section that you'd be able to view it. You can just tap on the trial reel option, and then right here you'll be able to see the option which says create trial reel. If previously from the normal method you were not being able to see this option, you can just tap on this option and then start creating trial reels. So for most people, you would be able to see this option being displayed. But however, if you are not being able to see the trial reel option right there, this also could be the case of followers. So what happens is, in some regions, Instagram does not allow people that does not have at least 200 followers to get this trial reel feature. So make sure that you gain a bit of followers, and the trial reel feature later on should be available for you. While you're at it, what you can try out is make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So you can just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, update the application, wait out a couple of hours, and you should have the option of trial reels visible within your account. So make sure you try these few things out and you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.